Greetings, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. I order LED video light from amazon.co.uk, so I want us to unbox this light. This light is what I want to use for my video production, so I want us to unbox this LED video light. Okay, this light is dimmable light and rechargeable, so it's dimmable and bi-color. Okay, so this is what we are going to unbox right now. This is Raleno. Okay, this is 104 LED soft light. Okay, built-in 5000 mAh battery, soft light. So I want to use this for my video production. This is LED video light. Okay, I ordered this from amazon.co.uk, and what is in here, this is the unboxing. What is in here is the USB cable. Okay, and this section is pretty much the holder. Okay, so you put this light on top of here. It's part of the settings. And here is the baby. Here is. So from what we can see here, the on and off button is at the back. Okay, you turn this on and off button, then adjust the light from here. Okay, and so white light, you also adjust it from here. This is LED video light, video production. So I'm going to connect this to your PC. Okay, so this section goes over here, I believe. Yeah, so I move this away, move all this stuff away. So this goes over here. Okay, here we go. So this goes over here. We need to find where to connect this. Now this is the USB cable. So this light is a panel light, built-in 5000 mAh Lion battery. Okay, CR195 plus 104 LED camera light with hot shoe mount, and this is USB cable for all DSLR camera and camcorder. Okay, so this goes over here, goes by the corner here to connect this. Yeah, So this, connect this to your PC, which is what we're going to do right now, and see what it looks like. So you connect this to your laptop. You can see at the back here, you can see the light is flashing at the back. Okay, now what we need to do, okay, this is the on. So the on and off button is at the back. Here we go. So this is the test at the back. Okay, this is the light. This is LED video light. So you turn it on. So the light on and off button is at back here. So this light is what I want to use for my, so the light, the camera is at the back, the light is at the back here, just to show that it's on. Then it creates the white light from this arrow here. This is white light, Raleno. This is the minimum, maximum.